This is our lock cylinder bed with lock cylinder and key, screw bed with square shaft, screw and nut. Of the door you need to install, it can be divided into external opening, internal opening. What we show this time is the external opening, which is installed outside the door. Now we need to fix the lock body with screws first, then install the lock body. The side with the lock hole is outside the door. We will be equipped with a relatively loose square shaft, which requires customers to cut them into appropriate lengths according to the thickness of the door. Fix it with screws. After fixing, use the key to test whether the unlocking is smooth. This is the lock state. This is the unlocked state. When it comes to installing the tail part of the lock cylinder, it is necessary to reserve a certain distance. The length of about 25 毫米 beyond the plane of the door is the most suitable. The next step is to install our front and back panels. First, install the corresponding rubber pads and press them tightly. Then align the two screw slits with the screw holes and rotate them in. Push the rear cover with your fingers to remove it. For screws inside, take out the bottom plate and repeat the action just now to fix and press the rubber pad. Next, install the front panel. Align the hole of the lock cylinder with the position of the lock cylinder and pass the wire out at the same time. At this time, install our rear bottom plate and fix it with screws. After completion, the front panel should be kept parallel to the door frame. At this time, we have to check whether the lock cylinder is aligned and the 3 points are aligned. After checking, fix the front panel with screws. Next, install the back panel. We can see that there are 2 wires in the back panel. The thinner wires connect to the thinner wires. And the thicker wires connect to the thicker wires. Do not connect to the wrong wires. After the connection is successful, lock the 2 wires in and tie them. Insert the position of the square shaft into the hole forward. And put the spring into the hole of the rear panel. There is no need to divide the direction. The tail strip below needs to be aligned with the position of the lock cylinder. And the 3 points and lines are aligned. Rotate the nut to a proper position. Snap it in, fix it with screws. After installing the front and rear panels, install the battery. The metal points should be aligned with the metal points. After hearing the sound, it means that the power is on. The battery cover of the rear panel must be inserted from more than half of the metal points. After this step, the whole smart plug is all installed. Next, let's test whether the function of the smart plug is normal. First, open the handle quickly. To the left is the lock state, and to the right is the open state. The following is the safety time. The left is the lock state, and the right is the unlock state. This is a manual knob. We need to press it down first to lock the door.